Scroll through social media and you'll see people claiming they make money while they sleep. It sounds easy, but true passive income isn't automatic. Passive income means money that keeps flowing even when you stop working, but it still needs planning, systems, and smart assets behind it. Every stream of passive income begins as active effort, setting up the deal, the property, or the process that pays later. Most people fail because they chase quick profits instead of building durable systems. If you stop managing it and it stops paying, it was never passive. True passive income comes from things that keep working: rental properties, dividend stocks, or appreciating assets like luxury watches managed by experts. At Perpetual Investment Group, we help investors build true passive income, where data, discipline, and real assets create predictable returns. The goal isn't to do nothing. It's to do the right things once so your assets do the work for you. Passive income isn't a fantasy, it's financial architecture. Build it right and it runs itself. Subscribe for weekly lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful.